We're gonna put fabric down, then gravel, so he can fit a shipping container here.
Sun crawls up slow through the canyon haze. Cold steel waiting where the frost still lays. Boot in the gravel, coffee in hand. First cut of morning in stubborn land. Bucket swings low like an old church bell. Echo through hollows where the coyotes yell. Some men pray and some men wait. Some men dig through dirt and slate.
There's a white truck parked by the cedar line, painted letters worn by time. John Ray Excavation on the door in red, where the hard ground breaks and the pipe runs fed.
Skyler, John Ray Excavation again. This job, we are leveling this pad. Well, it's not a pad yet, but it's grass. So we got a little white line where we got to dig out, get it level with the asphalt here, cut into that hill a little bit. We're gonna put fabric down, then gravel, so he can fit a shipping container here. Yeah, here's do the time lapse. You can watch me get to work. But we got this all graded and had some extras, so we did around his shoulder. It was asphalt there. I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, it turned out pretty good. I'll probably come back with a rake and knock down some of these high spots, but I think it turned out pretty sweet. Yeah, be a nice little pad for his Connex or something. And then he's gonna come through later and dig, put railroad ties, kind of a retaining wall there. But yeah, it should work great.